Welcome to the PARS Health TV channel. We hope you're having a good day and you are happy and healthy. In this channel, we give you tips to keep you healthy and out of trouble. In this video, we want to talk about how to fix scoliosis with daily exercises at home. This video is for educational purposes only, and if you have any specific condition or illness, you should consult with your doctor. Scoliosis causes the spine to curve sideways, causing pain, weakness, and changes in the way a person walks. Exercise and stretching are vital components of treatment. In mild cases, people can treat scoliosis with specific exercises and stretches alone, eliminating the need for surgery. Scoliosis is characterized by an S or C-shaped curve in the spine. It's generally seen in childhood, but it can also come about in adulthood. Scoliosis in adults can occur due to a variety of reasons, including genetics, uneven pelvic position, past spinal or joint surgeries, knee or foot distortions, or even head injuries. The difference between a typical spine and that of a person with scoliosis is that the former can move from side to side. For instance, when you walk, your spine bends and rotates left and right, ultimately reverting to the center. People with scoliosis have a difficult time moving in one direction due to the curvature of their spine. The correct scoliosis exercises depend on the location of the scoliosis curve. People with lumbar scoliosis should focus on exercising the lower back, while those with thoracic scoliosis need to exercise the shoulders. If you like topics like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to see daily videos just like this one. Alright, let's get started. These exercises and stretches may be recommended for people with scoliosis. 1. Pelvic tilts. A pelvic tilt will help stretch tight muscles in the hips and lower back. To do a pelvic tilt, lie on your back with your feet flat on the floor and knees bent. Tighten your stomach muscles while flattening your back toward the floor. Hold for 5 seconds, while breathing normally. Release. Do 2 sets of 10. 2. Arm and leg raises. People can strengthen their lower back with arm and leg raises. To do the raises, lie on your front with your forehead to the ground. Extend your arms out over your head, with the palms positioned flat on the ground. Keep your legs straight. Raise one arm off of the ground. Hold for 1 or 2 full breaths, then lower the arm back down. Repeat with each arm and each leg. Aim for 15 repetitions on each limb. 3. Cat-Camel. The Cat-Camel is a yoga pose. It can help keep the spine flexible and pain-free. To do the Cat-Camel pose, begin on the hands and knees, ensuring your back is level, and your head and neck are comfortable. Breathe deeply, then draw the abdominal muscles in and up, arching your back. Exhale and release the abdominal muscles, dropping the back, letting the belly fall, and lifting the head toward the ceiling. Do 2 sets of 10. 4. Bird dog. The bird dog is another yoga-inspired exercise. To do this exercise, begin on the hands and knees with your back straight. Place your hands directly under your shoulders, with the knees directly under the hips. Extend one arm straight out and forward while extending the opposite leg straight back. Breathe normally and hold for 5 seconds. Repeat with the opposite arm and leg. Do 10 to 15 repetitions on each side. 5. Latissimus dorsi stretch. People can stretch the latissimus dorsi, the largest muscle in the upper body, with this stretch. Thoracic scoliosis directly affects these muscles. Lumbar scoliosis can also cause back tension that extends up to the latissimus dorsi. To do a latissimus dorsi stretch, stand with good posture in a neutral position. Keep the feet shoulder width apart and the knees very slightly bent. Reaching over your head with both hands, grab your right wrist with your left hand. Bend slightly toward the right side until you feel a stretch in the left side of the body. Hold for 1 to 2 breaths, then push with the left foot to return to the original position. Repeat on the opposite side. Do 5 to 10 repetitions on each side. 6. Abdominal press. Having strong abdominal muscles can help take some of the pressure off of the back muscle. It can also help a person maintain good posture. To do an abdominal press, lie on your back with your feet flat on the ground and knees bent. Keep the back in a neutral, tension-free position. Raise both lower legs off the floor until they reach a 90-degree angle. To engage the abdominal muscles, Use your hands to push down on the knees while pulling the knees toward the hands at the same time. This is a static exercise, meaning the legs and arms should not move when you are pressing. Hold for 3 full breaths and then relax. Do 2 sets of 10. 7. Practicing good posture. Good posture can reduce pain and muscle tension. Several times a day, a person can realign their body to help them learn to stand with good posture naturally. To have a good posture when standing, drop your shoulders down and back. Position the ears over the shoulders. Slightly tuck your chin in, so that it is not jutting forward or too far down. Draw your stomach in slightly. Unlock the knees slightly. When sitting, keep the back straight and the ears over the shoulders. The legs should be in a neutral position and not crossed. It can help to scan the body for signs of tension. For example, some people unconsciously tense their shoulders or lean slightly to one side, especially when they are in pain or under stress. Exercises to avoid. Some activities and exercises can make scoliosis symptoms worse, or increase the risk of secondary injuries. People with scoliosis should avoid keeping the neck bent forward, so the head faces down, such as when using a smartphone. Playing football and other high-contact sports are dangerous for people with scoliosis. Ballet and gymnastics may also injure the thoracic spine. Repeatedly extending the torso, which can occur in some yoga positions, ballet steps, and gymnastics maneuvers. Exposing the spine to repeated impacts from jumping or running. Common culprits include trampolines, horseback riding, and long-distance running on hard surfaces. Exercise is being recommended more and more as a treatment for mild to moderate scoliosis. By being proactive and performing these exercises, you may be able to slow the curvature of your spine and decrease the pain you feel as a result of your scoliosis. Pilates and yoga routines geared specifically toward those who have impaired spinal flexibility can also serve as a treatment to lessen pain. It's important to always get the opinion of your orthopedist or physical therapist before beginning a scoliosis treatment regimen, even one that involves simple exercises. This ensures that you won't be harming your skeletal system by performing these exercises. If you are interested in videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We hope you have a wonderful day. See you in the next video.